My perception of the outside world was that it was a very dangerous, destitute, evil place.
In Gloriavale, it's protected. We are the chosen ones. We are the people of God.
We were told, this is what we're protecting you from. We've taken you out of this evil, wicked world.
Cross this bridge and you've lost your soul. And that's the psychological prison.
Okay, 1, 2, everybody smiling.
You don't join a cult. You get recruited.
You have to see the New Zealand West Coast to believe it. Dense bush, steep mountains. No one for bloody miles.
Right, this would be one of the worst ages for sin.
The women are there to serve the men, work, have babies.
Looking back, knowing what I know, yes, we were slaves.
If you control the wife, you control the husband. If you control both of them, then you've got the whole family.
The physical abuse, the psychological, sexual, the emotional, the spiritual abuse.
I don't want those sort of things happening to my kids.
She's not safe here.
This is the opportunity in history to get it right.
I've got a package here. It's got a phone. Stay safe.
There we go. Let's go.
You've got to go down fighting.
You don't have a family anymore!
These are people coming out like refugees.
All this abuse, there's just so much of it makes me feel sick.
Come here.
Hide the camera now. If no one does anything, these people aren't ever going to get free.
Remember those kids and go and do the right thing.
To actually escape physically just feels impossible. But to escape psychologically, it actually is impossible.